Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Head Teacher CCCU Assembly of the 4th of July 2022. We are almost at the end of the academic year. We have 14 school days left, and we have to make the most of them because we are Grange. We know what we're about at Grange. The G of Grange is because we have a great caring attitude. And the R of Grange is we are really trying our best. A of Grange is we're always learning, especially when we make a mistake. It doesn't always feel nice to make a mistake, but if we use our mistake to learn from it and to do better, then it's an amazing thing because then you can really learn and develop and go to the next level. So we're always learning, especially from our mistakes. The second G of Grange is what we are doing, what we are going for, is not to be better than anybody else, but to improve ourselves, to make progress for ourselves. That's what we're going for, to always become better in ourselves. The E of Grange is education, which is everything we're learning. We use it to help us to make good choices as we go along in life, because every choice we make is building our future. And the N of Grange, I didn't forget it, is that we never give up. Keep going because we're CC learners. And that's what we're about at Grange because we have character strength. Character is who we really are, deep inside ourselves, the best of ourselves. That's what makes us really strong when we live our lives with confidence, we believe in ourselves, and we're kind to ourselves. We look after ourselves in consideration. We look around us and we see a beautiful world around us, we see people around us, we see everything around us, and we say, I am going to make the world around me and the people around me, I'm going to make that better by being the very best me that I can be, by being kind and by being caring. So if we live our lives with confidence and consideration, we make the world a better place. So here we go. These are some of our Grange people of power that just give us hope. All our Grange children welcome new children, make them feel safe and happy. All our Grange parents and carers who support us and support the Grange CC way. All now, children, this is something really important to realize. It is July. Anybody who works in a school, teachers, carers, educators, administrators, they are tired in July because they have worked really hard this year. But they are amazing. Our Grange adults are truly amazing because there are only 14 days, school days left of school this year, and yet all of these Grange adults are working so hard to make sure that you get the very most out of every moment at school. So really, really appreciate and value them. All our Grange children are quick to be ready to learn, especially you come in after break, or maybe you moved from a class to a class, but you sit down and you're ready to learn. It gives me so much hope when I see you doing that. And Key Stage 1 Grange children, well, you are the best CC saluters and walkers. So my dream is that you will live this right through to year 6. So when you're in year 6, I'll look at you and you'll say, remember, Mr. Kerbel, you told us when we were in year 1 and year 2 at Grange and we were in Key Stage 1 that we were the best CC saluters and walkers. And look at us in year 6. We're still CC saluting and walking. Proud of you all. So there we go. Now, what we're going to talk about today, our character strength focus, is the power of friendship. Think about that. We all know what it is to have a friend. We're going to talk more about what a true friend is, what a good friend is. Now remember, what we always say at Grange, it's not about who you are right now, but about becoming the best person that you can be. When you do CC walking, what you are saying is, I'm up for the challenge. I want to be the best me that I can be. And that's why I walk with my hand on my heart, because I'm being kind, I'm making good choices. And also, I'm walking on the left-hand side, so I don't bump into people. And I'm being quiet, because I know it's our school. We want it to be calm and there's learning going on. When you do star sitting, that means you're sitting up straight. You're tracking the speaker, your teacher, your educator, whoever's speaking, you're tracking the speaker. The A of star sitting, you're asking and responding like a scholar. You're thinking. And the R of star sitting is respect, because you respect yourself. You don't let yourself get distracted by anybody else, and you respect other people. You don't distract them. And we realize at Grange there is no substitute. Nobody can do the job of living your life. You, each one of you, and me, for myself, we each need to live our life to the best that we can be, because nobody else can do that for us. So each of us is always becoming our very best. So let's think about how we can use the power of friendship to become our very best. So here's some good questions when you're thinking about friendship. So sometimes you have to make a choice. Bad people are going, oh, choose this, do that, do this. This is what's cool. This is what's important. And they're all in your ear telling you these things. And the point is, you have to know sometimes, no matter what people are saying around you, you know what's important, you know what's valuable, you know what the right thing is for you. So, can I be the true me even when everybody around me is putting pressure on me? Next question. Do I support other people to really be their true selves? So I don't try to change people or make them do what I want them to do, but I try and help them to be the best self that they can be. Do I have true CC friendship power? So we always say, let's train the CC way. So thinking about those questions, let's think what a good friend will truly do. The best friend, what a best friend will do for you. So here, if you are thinking about who will be your best friend, a person who's going to be your best friend is going to listen to you, think about it, and understand what is really important to you. Even if it's different to what is important for them, because they're your friend, they understand this is what's important to you. A good friend, a best friend, will say, what's your goals? What do you want to achieve? I'm going to support you to achieve that. A best friend, when you've got a choice to make, will help you to make a good choice. They'll listen to you, they'll talk to you, and they'll be honest with you, and they'll give you feedback, and they'll help you. They will help you to make good choices. And a best friend will bring out the best in you. And you can also be that best friend for somebody else. You can listen to them and understand what's important to them. You can respect them. You can help them to achieve their goals. You can help them to make good choices. And you can bring out the best in them. If you're a friend like that to other people, if you choose your friends that are friends to you like that, then you know what? You'll never be alone, because that'll be like CC friendship. And we're stronger together when we are kind to people and help them to be there to achieve their goals and what's important for them, and help them to make good choices, and you let them help you and make good choices. But just one thing to remember, each one of us, we've got to start by being confident. We've got to start by remembering to live our best life. And if you think about your life ahead of you, whole life ahead of you, please God, one day you will be as old as me, and then you will be older than me, and keep growing, and we'll all grow. You have to live that best life. Your friend is like the person walking next to you, helping you, to keeping you company, and helping you to reach your goals and to walk that path in the best way. And you are walking next to your friend along that road. So if you look around you in your classroom right now, children of Grange, year 1 and year 2, if you look around you in your classroom, you see the people around you in your classroom, these might be your friends for life. These people might be with you in friendship. So I'm talking about being true friends to you, to help you to make those good choices, and you to be friends to them for the rest of your life. You don't know. So look around, think about that. And if you want to have a little discussion with your teacher now, you can discuss. And if you want to, you can even do it on little post-it notes. Put that on a big piece of paper, write the name of your class, and you can bring it to me, your notes of your writing. What can you do to increase true CC friendship that we've spoken about in your classroom? Maybe you can say that you can really listen to each other. You can really learn from PSHE lessons, like how to be kind to each other. You can really be honest with people what's really important to you. You can think, what can you do to increase friendship in your classroom? Really proud of all of you, year 1 and year 2 children of Grange, because you are good friends to each other, and you're listening to this assembly now, and I know you'll be even greater friends to each other. That will help you and your friends to be the best that they can be in their lives ahead. So, stars of the week, let's see. Well done, Miami, Dua, Aline, Archie, Elias, Daisy, and Jamal, and Lewis, and Moaz, and Teuta, and Sarah, and Sean. Wow, you're all the gold stars of Grange. Proud of you. Now, the house champions, I've chosen the house champions from the whole of this half term, summer 2. Lauren S., you are the house champion of fire. Sarah G., you are the house champion of water. Summer H., you are the house champion of earth. And Ubaid, you are the house champion of air. Look at how many CC PowerPoints we have got this year from September 2021 to July 2022. September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 681,842 CC PowerPoints. What an amazing number. You better be concentrating in maths so you can handle these big numbers, and we are doing so well in maths at Grange. So brilliant for your CC PowerPoints. Who were the classy classes? Alan, touring class, fantastic, with 2,203 CC PowerPoints. Rumi class, 2,362 CC PowerPoints. Greta Thunberg class, you are the classy class with over 3,000 CC PowerPoints. So proud of all of you. The start of the year, I said to myself, how many CC PowerPoints can we get in Grange? And I said, well, let's try and get more than 500,000. 500,000 is 500,000 CC points. You know what? We've done it. Look at that. We have got 681,842 CC PowerPoints. That's well over 500,000 points. That's well over 500,000 points. That's nearly 700,000 points. So, you know, when I said at the beginning of the year, we're going to make it, well, we are powerful, we are kind, we are loved, we are Grange, and we have made it. And you know what? We're going to make it in life because we are Grange. We're doing brilliantly together. Every day we learn and we succeed. We've had the reindeer, we've had the chicks, but most importantly this year, we've had each other. We've been together. So I'm going to give you a CC salute. There are 14 days of this school year left. 14 days to learn, to grow, to develop, to be true CC friends to each other. So let's make the most of it. Give yourself a hand on the heart. Give yourself a confidence boost. Believe in yourself. Be the best that you can be. Become the best that you can be. And look at this beautiful world all around us. Look at your friends all around you. Be kind. Know that kindness is strength. Make the world a better place through kindness and caring. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the learning ahead. Let's be safe and happy. Let's learn together at Grange. Let's respect each other at Grange. Let's achieve our potential at Grange. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.